From the explorers of the future, greetings! Prepare to experience the freedom of the broad road with the revolutionary 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. This RV is more than just a car. It's a statement about life thanks to its ingenious design for every journey. From its sleek, modern design with aerodynamic characteristics meant to minimize wind and boost economy to its changeable LED headlights that flash at night, every aspect of Chevrolet's unique strength and flair is on display. These RVs come with a variety of robust chassis options, including as the modified Silverado HD and the Chevrolet Express van basis. They are powered by a variety of strong and reliable engines. The well-known Ecotec 3 gasoline V8 engine ensures a comfortable ride on any terrain thanks to its incredible power and towing capabilities. The Duramax Turbo-Diesel V6 engine, on the other hand, provides outstanding performance and fuel efficiency for affordable transportation. The dashboard's sophisticated and driver-focused design instantly catches your attention. A large infotainment touchscreen that also serves as the control center and a customizable digital instrument panel put all the pertinent information at your fingertips. With built-in navigation, Android Auto compatibility, and wireless Apple CarPlay, you won't get lost. The ergonomic dashboard design with high-end materials, brushed chrome accents, and soft ambient lighting produces a modern and comfortable cockpit for long journeys. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's main cabin is the perfect balance of functionality and style. The motorized slide-out when parked adds even more space to the light and roomy interior. Large windows with imaginative drapes bring in natural light and offer stunning views of your surroundings. A luxurious leather sofa and movable captain's chairs make the perfect lounge area for entertaining or relaxing. Two benefits of alternatives to durable luxury vinyl or hardwood flooring are comfort and ease of maintenance. The bedroom area is meant to be a tranquil retreat after a day of exploration. A comfortable queen or king-size bed and a quality mattress are necessary for a restful night's sleep. On either side of the bed are side tables with USB charging ports and independent reading lights. With built-in closets and spacious drawers that provide ample space for storing all of your essentials, the inside is maintained tidy. Soft lighting and windows with privacy curtains provide a calm atmosphere. The restroom of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is proof that comfort need not be sacrificed for opulent travel. The bathroom features a porcelain toilet, a modern sink with high-end faucets, a huge walk-in shower with enough water pressure, and a stylish design. A large mirror with integrated lighting and inventive toiletry storage provide convenience. Because of the high-quality, readily cleaned materials, it feels clean and sanitary. The kitchen is the focal point of every camper, and the 2026 Chevrolet camper is no exception. This kitchen is perfect for serious cooks because of its huge solid-surface countertop, 2-burner induction cooktop, convection oven/microwave, full-size refrigerator, and freezer. A stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet and plenty of storage space in the cabinets and drawers make meal preparation easy and fun, even while cooking outside.